Hello, and welcome to Baxi's Basic Water Checks video guide to getting your boiler up and running again quickly and easily. Check 1. Does your property have a good water supply? Check your cold water tap. Is the supply of water consistent and strong? If not, you will need to speak to your water supply company. Check 2. Is the boiler displaying low pressure error codes such as E118 or E119? For Remea products, check for error codes E1, E2, E7 or E10. Check 3. For boilers without digital displays, low pressure can be identified by checking the pressure gauge, which is found on the front of the boiler near the control panel or underneath the boiler near the pipework. A healthy system should sustain pressure between 1 and 1.5 bar. If the pressure is below this level, a full how-to video guide on how to repressurize and restart your boiler can be found on our website. If your boiler is still inoperable, please view our other basic check video guides or call us on 0844 335 2266 to arrange a visit by a fully qualified, gas-safe registered Baxi engineer. Thank you for watching.